grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G Phone Tech, and today I'm going to talk to you about the newly launched Mi Band 3. Actually, Mi Band 3 was already launched a few months ago in China, and now it is launched in India for Rs 1999. In China, it was launched with two variants, one with NFC and one without NFC, but in India we get the variant without NFC. In India, actually it makes sense because there is not many services in India that makes use of NFC. Let me unbox the Mi Band 3 for you. We get a transparent lid on the box, so beneath the lid you would find the fitness tracker. The band is made of soft rubber material. We also get a proprietary dongle for charging and the user manual. The one I have with me is from China. I have imported it from one of the Chinese websites a few months ago, but still the moment you pair it to your Mi Fit app, the language and everything completely changes to English. The variant that's been launched in India has got English language interface all through the way. Xiaomi has already launched Mi Band 2 and a variant of the Mi Band 2 called the Mi Band 2 HRX edition, but this Mi Band 3 has got a larger screen and lot more functionalities compared to these two bands. The design of the Mi Band 3 by itself is very smooth and it resembles a liquid droplet. The tracker is designed to be fit inside the band very tightly so that it doesn't fall off easily during your workouts, and also the band by itself has a snug fit in your hand. Overall, the band is very lightweight and comfortable to wear throughout the day. Compared to the earlier versions of the Mi Band or any other band in the market right now in this price range, the Mi Band 3 has got a full touch screen, and also the display is large. Now the display can accommodate more information to read, which means that you can read more lines of your notification message. The Mi Band 3 is waterproof by up to 5 meters underwater, which means that you can take it along for swimming, but the Mi Fit app doesn't track your swimming workout. Some of the new features in the Mi Band 3 are it has a new timer, weather information, find your mobile feature, heart rate alert, and also the display has its screen locked out. In order to unlock it, you have to long swipe it from the bottom so that you can read the information. Information that you can see on the Mi Band tracker is the time, steps, distance, calories, percentage of battery, etc. It also gives you caller ID the moment you get a call, along with notifications from multiple applications which you can configure from the Mi Fit application. The tracker has 110 mAh of battery, and Xiaomi promises about 20 days of battery life, but in my usage I found that it gives me more than 20 days of battery life. The big question now is, should you buy the Mi Band 3 or not? Well, if you have a Mi Band 2, I don't find a compelling reason for you to upgrade to the Mi Band 3, but if you have any other band, even the Mi Band HRX edition, buying the Mi Band 3 would be a huge upgrade for you. And now I present you a chance to win this Mi Band 3. All you have to do is just follow the link below in the description, and that will give you more details on how you can win this giveaway from this channel. Wish you all the best to win this Mi Band 3 from G Phone Tech, but if you'd like to buy a Mi Band 3, links below in the description as well. I hope you like this video. If you like to watch more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.